This is Irish Jamaican video. Irish Jamaican video. Irish Jamaican video. Do the dance. Do the dance. Do the dance. Do the Irish Jamaican video. Irish Jamaican video. I met the people. We are doing one thing today, isn't it? Which is Wednesday. Although it is not Friday still, but a Wednesday. We still got to look at PCM here. I look at Irish video as usual. Yeah. So the one name how Jamaicans react when them see a sexy girl on Facebook. How them go on? Some act stupid, some act smart, some act gangster, some of them not. Alright now, boss in a place, my kitchen in a place, isn't it? Okay, something come out.
Yeah, okay, dog. Come put us together. Man, get a 6 way.
Oh, yeah, Claude. What's your name, dog?
Yeah,
Move on, dog.
No,
dog.
Hey, look, Jesus Christ.
Whoa! Let's go. Whoa! What's your nose?
No,
Let's go. What's your from? America, England, Jamaica, Kingston. Oh, Lord God. I thought you said?
Yeah, I'm just that guy. The fun one.
This is all Jamaican our people when them say a sexy girl on Facebook, isn't it? Tune into my webpage at the Irish Jamaican TV, YouTube, isn't it? Facebook, Shamble again. Russian Cutie. Psh, what can name that still? But say prayer. We want to prayer.
No, yeah, we can't do.
What's your name, dog? Let's see
Man, we can't tell them, man.
No,
dog.
Let's see.
Lord God.
Jesus Christ. Who that? I should listen, dog. No, dog. Ease up, dog. Whoa.
No, yeah, we can't.
Next time. Next time. No. Next time.
Oh, yeah.
Come here. Go.
Put the mum up.
Whoa! You fucker, yo. God. Hold on. What's your name? So this are. Alright. Jesus Christ. The girl a good dog. Our people right that, isn't it? Jamaican video, isn't it? Tune into a profile. Jamaican other TV, isn't it? Oh.